In this video, we'll show you how to use Google's Nano Banana step by step. You'll learn how to create your own images, edit the ones you already have, and even blend multiple images together for some impressive results. So what is Nano Banana? It's Google's new AI image generating tool, and it works a lot like other AI image apps such as ChatGPT, Midjourney, Leonardo, and so on. But the big advantage with Nano Banana is its ability to create and edit consistent images. To get started, head over to Google Gemini on your computer or open the Gemini app on your phone. There's a link in the description, and you'll need to sign in with your Google account. After you sign in, you'll be brought to the screen, and up here you can see some ready-made prompts that you can use. But for today, we want to create our own images, so the first step is to click on this Tools icon and choose Create Image, the one with the banana icon. For our first example, let's generate an image from a text prompt. Let's get creative and type in something like, create an image of a realistic-looking sloth sitting at a table inside of a trendy coffee shop having a cup of coffee. Next, let's click on the Submit button. Okay, not too bad. Now, here's where Nano Banana really shines, and that is its ability to edit images, and then you can keep refining the images until you get them to look the way you want. For example, after looking at this image, I don't like the beanie he's wearing, so I'll type in a prompt telling Nano Banana to change it into a baseball cap. Click Submit, and there we go. That's how easy editing images in Nano Banana really is. Just type in your request, and Nano Banana will make it happen. All right, after looking at the sloth, I don't like his fur color either, so let's type in a prompt asking Nano Banana to change his fur to a more brown color. Click Submit. Next, I'm really not liking the lettering in this image, and how about we ask Nano Banana to remove that as well? Okay, that was easy. But now, let's ask Nano Banana to make him face the camera. Let's go with this prompt. Well, okay. This time it didn't go so well, and that's okay, because Nano Banana doesn't always get things right. So how about we modify the prompt to see if we can get a better image? Let's go with something like this. All right, much better. Okay. By now, you've gotten an idea of how to edit the images Nano Banana creates. Let's move on and talk about how to edit images on your computer. For example, here is the image of the avatar I use in some of my videos, and I want to make some modifications. Let's start by uploading the image. Next, how about we type a prompt something like this. Take the laptop, move it to the left so you can see the coat and the shirt he's wearing, and his arms are folded in front. Let's generate the image to see what we get. Wow, not too bad. Another cool thing you can do is ask Nano Banana to add something to the image. For example, let's type the prompt, add a coffee cup, click Submit, and just like that, the coffee cup has been added. But we can also change parts of the image itself. For example, we can ask Nano Banana to change his jacket color to a dark blue. And there we go. Nano Banana made the change with ease. But why stop there? Let's ask Nano Banana to add some hair. I gotta admit, I miss those days. And we'll type in this prompt. Add hair. Make sure it's stylish, fitting for a 40-year-old male. All right, not bad. But the hair color is off a bit, so let's ask Nano Banana to change his hair color to match his beard. Go ahead and submit that. Okay, not bad. Getting there. All right, by now you're getting the idea of how to use Nano Banana along with its capabilities. How about we move on to the next example, which is blending images. To begin, it's a good idea to start a new chat because if not, Nano Banana might combine your previous work. So let's go over here and click New Chat. The next step is to upload our images. We'll click Upload and upload the first image. Then, one more time, uploading our second image. Once that's complete, we can type this prompt. Add the dog from the second image exactly as it appears and put him in the first image sitting next to the person on the ground. Let's click Submit and see what we get. And there we go. Pretty cool. But the one thing you have to watch out for is if your aspect ratios are not the same, you might not get the best results. So, pro tip for you, make sure any images that you combine together have the same aspect ratio. In our case, the person sitting on the street and the dog were both 16:9. But if the images you're trying to combine don't have the same aspect ratios, this video right here will show you how to fix it.